I'm going to tell you about the power and the simplicity of our Chrome extension. This may include a feature that you didn't already know about. Hi everyone, I'm Lauren Corrett from DataDive. Whether you're brand new to DataDive or you're a veteran that's been with us since day one, let's dive in. The first step to getting DataDive's Chrome extension is simply to Google it. Put in DataDive Chrome extension and it'll be the first result to come up. Here you'll just follow directions, click a button, and you should be about done. Once you've got the extension downloaded, you want to make sure that you're logged into your DataDive account. Once you confirm that you're logged in, you can actually start in Amazon. You can put in your ASIN or a product that you're interested in selling, and we can get started a few different ways. The first option we have to get started with our Chrome extension is our niche dive. This is probably the most popular because it is the quickest to get started. It's incredibly powerful. So if I click the blue niche dive button for this product, DataDive is going to automatically pull 15 competitors that it thinks is relevant. So I'll show you as an example. If we click that button, DataDive's going to do some digging and it's going to pull up products that are closest to this one. Now, while DataDive is choosing 15 for you, don't feel like you're locked in. You can turn products off and you can include others if you'd like. You can have more or less than 15, but we recommend 15 as the default. Once you've selected the competitors that you're happy with and you're ready to do the dive, just do the dive button below. This is where you can put a title and it's just for your reference within DataDive so you can easily find it later. We'll hit the dive button and we're automatically taken into the tool. That's it for the Amazon piece. With our Chrome extension, just a few clicks of the button and you're set and ready to get started. Next, I'm going to tell you about our Add to Tray option. Think of this as the way to be picky. You can hand select your competitors and you are in the driver's seat. DataDive is here for support, but you're in complete control with this one. Go through and just click Add to Tray. Any product or competitor that you would like to look at, you can just click this button and you'll see the number by the DataDive icon update so you can keep track of how many you've added to your tray. When you're happy with the products that you've pulled in, you're simply going to go here to the icon, click on the tray, and you can open Dive Box. Once you're in this view, remember, you can toggle anyone off if you've changed your mind or you no longer want to include them in your dive. You just toggle them off here. At the bottom, this is where you can add the title of your niche. This is just for your reference to help you find it once you're in DataDive. Once everything's ready to go, hit that dive button and it's going to take you directly into DataDive. The last feature I want to cover today is our top search terms button. This is what I was talking about when I said even if you're a DataDive veteran, this is something that maybe you haven't explored before. It is incredibly powerful for keyword research. With just a click of a button, you have so much information at your fingertips. I'll show you how. Just by clicking one button, I've got the search terms, I've got the search volume, organic, and sponsored rank. Just a click of the button, guys. Think of this as a dive, but for one product only. You can look at a top competitor or a product that you're interested in and get a feel for it right away. All of the data is there. I cannot wait to see what you do with it. Once you've downloaded the DataDive Chrome extension for yourself, you've played around with these features and understood how powerful the information can be, how simple it is to use. We would love it if you would go back to the Google Chrome store and leave us a review. We would so appreciate it. If you've got any questions, reach out to us anytime, and I'll see you in the next video.